mission accomplished. I have obtained the new pink MoonSwatch. I'm really pleased. There are probably about 2 more I want to get, and that's me done. So yep, the mission was extremely successful. I'm right in front of Oxford Street. I'm just going to turn it around. Whoops, didn't do it. Right, not that way. Voila, I'm back. Not that way, or basically there. So now if I turn it round, it will make sense. There you go, and that's their new display. All pretty in pink. So I'm off home, get some earned rest, and I'll make a video when I get home. Bye for now. Right, compadres, welcome back to another episode of Extracts from the Diary of a Man About Town. I've got my microphone, which I can't clip anywhere, so I am basically, well, actually, I might be able to clip it on my chain. Give me 2 seconds, compadres. Whoops, that was falling off. Try that again. I don't think it's going to work. Okay, that will work, hopefully. Right, so yes, the mission to Oxford Street branch of Swatch was highly successful. This watch wasn't on my radar, but it was pink, and I just love pink. And the watch looks really great. And if I mentioned before, if it's good enough for Ed Sheeran, it's good enough for me. I'm just going to stretch over because I just realised I don't even have it in front of me. I haven't even opened it since I bought it. 2 seconds. Okay, so we got the flashy pink bag. Let's see if I can get a proper shot of that. Well, there it is. And the MoonSwatch itself, voila, there we go. And believe it or not, whoops, my face tracking's gone. Hold on a minute. Why does it always do that? Hold on a minute. Right, that's better. I'm back. Right, I'm back. Face tracking's back. Right, and yeah, I forgot to ask them if they include the they usually include a torchlight, which you can't. There's an inscription they put on some of these watches that you can't see without one, but I honestly don't really need it. But there we go. This is probably my 4th or 5th moon watch. To be honest, unless they bring out something amazing, I'm done with them. I just want one more, which is a white Snoopy one. I like the way they said a full immersion in pink. Okay, so you got the pamphlet. You've got what I have no idea is. Oops, what's that? Okay, you got the warranty card, and you've got instruction manual. You've got a small catalogue of the various different ones. It's only about 1 or 2 more I want, and my wallet is lighter for the privilege. I think that's the warranty and repair shops. And I'll just lift this up, and before I take it out, you can have a look at it in the box. There you go. And what's going to happen, the face tracking is going to go all crazy again. There you go. Oh, I'm still there. So let's see if I can get this out. Voila. And as you can see, it's really pink. See, where can I actually... There's a strap I'm going to get for it, which is very reasonably cheap, so I'm happy about that. I might order it today because it's a much better strap than this. I've also got another pink one, but it's a much lighter pink. Now, when it comes to the grades of pink, I'm not sure how you would describe this one. Now, what I didn't know is that when you buy one of these, you get a Swatch batteries for life, because the battery had gone. So I thought, while I'm in the Swatch shop, I might as well buy new batteries. I said, "Oh, go. How much are your batteries?" He said, "No." So they're free. And the chap, really nice gentleman actually, he sorted all that out for me, put in a new strap, reset the time, and because it's a chronograph, reset everything else. So that's that one. And this is the new one. And I'm just going to remove the protective plastic. There you go. I don't know if did he set the time on this? Yeah, the time looks right. What's not? It's not moving though. It's moving now. So you got your second hand. See if I can get you a close up. You got your second hand. There you go. I will put a picture in the credits anyway. So yeah, weirdly enough, normally you have people camping out for days to get some of these things. What I think has happened is the pink is not popular at all, because I got to Oxford Street about 20 to 9. The shop doesn't open till 10, so I had a lot of time to kill. But oh, this is nice. But I might have to take off one of my bracelets. Or move one bracelet back. Yeah, but I do like pink, because as I think I mentioned it yesterday in the video I posted, that it complements a lot of the stuff in my wardrobe. Oh, this is beautiful because it pops, as they say. I am very happy. Are they good for value for money? I don't really know. But the beauty of this one is they only set... and Swatch are crazy. Okay, let me go on a little slight rant. With Swatch, you cannot buy a Swatch Omega Speedmaster or MoonWatch in online. So basically you have to be prepared to make the effort to go to the shop to get it. Hence why I was early, because I just assumed there'll be a queue. There wasn't. I was the first person in the shop. I was the first person served. Now, I'm all for trying to make things exclusive, but in the world we live in, where everyone is extremely busy, be it work, college, uni, school, caring for parents, caring for an elderly relative, no one's got the time to start doing all this queuing stuff. I mean, it really is ridiculous. I'm not working at the moment. I'm taking a kind of sabbatical because I'm doing a course, which I'm hoping, full transparency, the course is teaching English as a foreign language. It's to add on to my degree in English, to enable me to virtually become self-employed, where I can travel and teach English, or I can teach English online. So I kind of had the time to indulge and queue up and all that, even though there wasn't a queue. But I think their strategy of what they do, which I find extremely childish. What they do, they try to garner hype. So, oh, you can only get it in the shops, blah blah blah. You can only get it if you go out of your way to do this and do this. Now, if people are paying well hard-earned money to get an item, you shouldn't, in my opinion, have to jump through hoops. I don't really approve of that. Yes, that's their strategy, and it kind of works, because as collectors, as suckers, we will go through the motions to get these things. But well, some of us will. Let me correct that. There's probably 99.9 million people on the planet who couldn't give two what's it. But yeah, I've got it. It really does pop. I'm really happy with it. Yeah, very, very happy with it. What was I going to say? Yeah, then the guy who served me, lovely gentleman, he then showed me there's another Swatch collaboration that Swatch do with a company called Blanc Pain. I think I'm pronouncing it properly. And he showed me another pink one. It was gorgeous. I know I've got to own that watch. When? I don't know. I saw that's even more expensive. But I think I should have, even if they had had it in that store, the price difference to what I paid today, and what I would have had to pay if I wanted that one instead was £80. I wasn't going to do that, but I will get it at some point. And they had the white Snoopy, which I really want, so that's on the list. So I'm gonna have to sell a liver soon. But that's it, compadres. I'm really pleased. I'm not being biased. The watch is actually beautiful. Putting it in front of you like this probably doesn't do it justice, and my tracking on my new gadget goes haywire when you put anything in front of your face. But no, it's a beautiful watch. I'm very happy with it. One thing I do like about this, and it's probably because it kind of flatters my ego, is that this is actually limited in the real sense of the word. What I mean by that is basically they had allocations for all the shops across the UK and across Europe where they will have dates where they'll have it in. So for instance, today was one of the dates where they will have it in Oxford Street. They would also have it in Oxford Street on Sunday, but one, I didn't want to go out on Sunday, and two, I thought, well, let me try my chances today, and it was very smooth. But once these sell out on the allocated dates at their different branches around across Europe, across the UK, the only way you'll be able to get it is their leftovers that didn't sell on that date or eBay. Now, I would highly recommend you not getting it off eBay, and it's not about the eBay tax you'll pay, because obviously it'd be more expensive. No, because I'm a big believer that if you want something, you want something, and you don't mind paying extra. The only problem about getting this on eBay is that, believe it or not, there's so many fakes of all these Omega MoonSwatch watches that it's not even worth the risk unless you're 100% sure. I mean, I've bought a fake inadvertently. I was so annoyed about that. But yeah, and lesson learned. And I didn't know how to go about getting my money back, so I had to take that one on the chin, you know. But yeah, as soon as I saw it, I just knew it was a fake when I opened the box. But everything else is spot on. All the packaging is spot on. So it's amazing what some of these counterfeiters would do to earn an extra bob or two. But anyway, this video is coming up to 12 minutes, and I've still got to add to it, so I didn't want to make it too long. But yeah, thank you very much. Big shout out to a gentleman called Mark on Facebook. Thank you for all your help and encouragement with regards to me getting this watch. I am extremely happy. Mark, if you do see this, I'm going to post it on the Facebook group. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and anyone else who hasn't subscribed, please do that for me. Okay, so I am waiting on a delivery which meant to come today, so I can shoot a video tomorrow. Oh no, not tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going for an 85th birthday bash, which I'm really looking forward to. But I am yabbering on. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to edit this and get this posted straight away. Weekend's coming in. Have a fantastic weekend, compadres, and make sure you get some rest as well. Bye for now.